Welcome to this week's Financial Flash Report. I'm Tina Newman, Client Relationship Manager at Stiles Financial, and I'm joined by Edgar Villegas, our Business Operations Manager. Over the past few Financial Flash Reports, we've taken a closer look at how our philosophy of understanding before advising is expressed through wealth planning and portfolio management, two key components of the Stiles wealth management process. This week, we want to focus on something that touches nearly every part of a relationship with Stiles: client service and operations. At Stiles, service starts with knowing the people and the families we serve. That means understanding more than account numbers and investment balances. It means knowing individual circumstances, preferences, priorities, and the details that matter within each relationship. And importantly, that knowledge extends across the practice. The relationship isn't just known by one advisor or one team member. That deep understanding allows us to deliver proactive, personalized service accurately and on time. A large part of my role involves coordinating the liquidity and the administrative needs of the people and the families we serve. From recurring income distributions and one-time cash needs to new accounts, asset transfers, IRA and charitable distributions, and beneficiary designations. These activities may sound administrative, but they are often connected to something very important happening in someone's life. So consistency matters, accuracy matters, timing matters, and communication matters. Our goal is to make the experience seamless, even when there may be a great deal of coordination taking place behind the scenes.
And this is where disciplined operations becomes so important. As business operations manager and having previously served as a wealth advisor, I see our processes from two perspectives. The first one is operational. Is the process accurate? Is it secure? Is it efficient? And are the right controls in place? The second question is just as important. How does this process affect the person on the other side of it? Strong operations should make the experience simpler, more reliable, and more responsive, not more complicated. That requires thoughtful processes, clear responsibilities, strong internal coordination, and technology that supports the work. We invest in sophisticated systems and resources to help us manage information securely, maintain accurate records, coordinate activity across the team, and execute requests consistently. But technology is not the objective. It is a tool that helps us deliver a more dependable and responsive experience.
And that technology works best when it is combined with personal knowledge. Because when we understand the relationship, we are better positioned to anticipate needs rather than simply react to them. We may know a recurring distribution is coming up. We may know a charitable gift needs to be completed before year end. We may understand how a new account fits into a broader estate or wealth planning strategy. That context allows service to be much more intentional.
It also helps us maintain the professional standards that are fundamental to how we operate. Accuracy, privacy, security, compliance, and fiduciary responsibility are not separate from the client experience. They are built into the way the work gets done. The goal is not simply to complete a task. It is to complete it correctly, securely, consistently, and in a way that supports the broader relationship.
That is why we think of client service and operations as fully integrated. The experience is personal, the execution is disciplined.
And when those two things work together, the result is a relationship that feels coordinated, responsive, and dependable.
That is the standard we uphold every day: deep understanding, proactive service, disciplined execution, and attention to the details that matter. Because confidence and peace of mind are built not only through planning and investment strategy, but also through knowing that the important details will be handled thoughtfully and reliably. Thank you for joining us for this week's Financial Flash Report.
Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next Financial Flash.
Educational content by the professionals at Stiles Financial Services, delivering customized portfolios aligned to your unique wealth goals.